Hey y'all, it's your girl Shy. If you found yourself here, I did want to go ahead and say thank you. Now don't be shy. I want you to go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell, and if you find value in this video, smash the like button please. So today I had to make myself an avocado and aloe vera hair mask because the wig I had on had my scalp dusty and crusty. I had it on for a few weeks, so now we're here. What you're going to need for this video is aloe vera, avocados, raw honey, olive oil, and some apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother at the bottom. Alrighty, so you want to make sure that when you cut the aloe vera that you go alongside those edges, the little spiky edges, that you cut those edges, that you also cut the tip and you cut the bottom. And then you're going to go inside with a spoon to scoop it out. Now, you want to make sure that when you get your avocados, you can get the darkest avocados that you can find because those are going to be the best one for this. Alrighty, now aloe vera has a lot of good things in it for you, for your skin, for your hair, for your body, for your soul. Okay, aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals, and it moistures your hair. When you buy hair dyes, you want to make sure that the hair dyes have aloe vera in it because it'll add moisture to your hair, so it won't strip any moisture from your hair. Now when you do this, you want to make sure that you blend the aloe vera with either like coconut oil or olive oil. Now what you see me doing here actually is I already scooped everything out of it with a spoon. I'm actually putting these little flaps that was like extra into a bag, and I'm going to incorporate that into my daily skincare routine because again, aloe vera is super good for every part of your body. It helps repair dead skin cells. It promotes hair growth. It prevents an itchy scalp. It reduces your dandruff, and that's mainly what I use it for. I have super dry hair. So this helps to condition my hair, and it also leaves my skin smooth and shiny. So now what we're doing is we're putting the aloe vera in the blender. I'm such a creep. Like, I love the texture of this stuff. Like, it's like so sexual. All right, and that is, I guess I forgot the footage of me getting into the avocados. Well, at the bottom, you're also going to see me scoop in the avocados. What I basically did is you open up the avocado, you take out the little egg looking shell thing in the middle, you scoop out all the green stuff, you know, that you use for guacamole. I love guacamole. If you like guacamole, smash the like button. Anyway, so you put that in there, you blend it, and it's gonna start looking creamy and good. Like, do you see all the air pockets? Like, look at it. Now, your blender is gonna sound like you're putting it through, you know, some things. Don't worry about that, it won't break, I promise. If it does break, disclaimer, it's not my fault. But it won't break, I promise. I do this a lot. You want to make sure it's thick because, I don't know, if you're like me, I have extremely dry hair. That brings me to this apple cider vinegar. Okay, you want to make sure that you're using the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance your hair and your scalp's pH balance, okay? So when you put apple cider vinegar on your hair, it helps to balance it. It helps to remove dandruff, all that gook that can get stuck on your scalp. So if you suffer from like psoriasis, apple cider vinegar is extremely good for that, and so is aloe vera. Everything that we're using in this video today can be interchangeable with your hair and your skin. Well, not the apple cider vinegar. Don't put no apple cider vinegar on your skin, y'all. You can put like a teaspoon of it in some water and drink it. All right, now that's our mixture. Look at it, looking all smooth and good. Ugh. All right, now the avocados, of course, again, guys, the avocados help to nourish and strengthen your hair. It has vitamin B and vitamin E in it. Okay, it helps your hair to shine, and again, it helps to stimulate that growth from the follicles while protecting your hair and keeping that moisture locked in. That's what we're here for, the moisture. We don't want to be dry, crusty, dusty. That's not fun at all. I use olive oil mixed in this stuff because you can use coconut oil or olive oil, but again, because I'm here for the moisture, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put some olive oil in that thing because olive oil is thicker and it brings all dull hair to life. Again, if you're here for moisture, go ahead and smash that like button. And comment too, like, what do y'all do to like stop your hair from being dry? Because like I know that this has definitely helped me tremendously. So now what we're doing is you're just going to get like a strainer and you're going to put that mixture from the blender into the strainer. And then you're just going to take a spoon basically and let it go into like a bowl or a cup. Because if you're natural, guys, I'm telling you, you don't want to take it straight from the blender and put it in your hair being lazy, because that's what I did the first time around. And I'm telling you, you're going to have pieces of avocado in your hair from like when you cut the avocado, you know, I don't know. I'm a bit lazy. So you don't want pieces of that in your hair. Also, the aloe vera, you could have pieces of that in your hair. You don't want it to actually be in your hair. You just want it, all the nutrients from it. Also, guys, you can make gel from aloe vera, okay? And it's like literally better than Eco Styler. Like literally, it's Eco Styler on crack. But on natural crack, on the healthy crack, whatever healthy crack is, like, that's what it is. All right, so again, we are just waiting for this to basically subside to the bottom. Now, while we go ahead and we wait for this to subside to the bottom, let me tell y'all how this was supposed to be a whole nother video. Child, the ghetto of editing, like, it gets hard. But we're also going to put some raw honey into this. And again, like, this is getting at to the bottom. You see? Now, I'm being extra maybe, but, like, I pay for these ingredients, so I want to make sure that I get every nook and cranny. Also, because, like, this stuff is just so good, and it's so tedious to make. When you make it, you want to make sure that you make, like, enough, you know? You want to make sure that it's that creamy texture. Ooh, I'm telling y'all, the definition that I had. See, I thought I was just going to do this, you know, nourish my hair again and put my wig back on. But I didn't even end up doing that because the definition that I had in my little coils, I'm telling y'all, it's all worth it. All right, so here you see me, again, it might be extra to see y'all, but I don't want pieces of avocado or aloe vera stuck in my hair because it's thick and that's going to be annoying to pick out. So listen to me now or be sorry later. Do that thing a second time. So you're going to put it through the strainer a second time. And this time, as you see, it's way smoother than the first time. The first time we had to let it sit for a while. This time it's basically going straight in. It's smooth. Oh, that's my little sister sending me a voice message. You know what? Have you ever had somebody, like, she sends me voice messages and then gets mad when I send her a voice message back. Like, bro, text me. But you sent me a voice message first. Like, do y'all talk in voice messages? If so, smash the like button. All right, so now we basically have all the good stuff out. Again, you want to make sure you get all of that goodness. It's nothing but richness in this. It's nothing but moisture. We talking about bounce. We talking about curl. All right, so again, I'm extra. I want all of it. I want all of the good stuff. It's a hold up. Give it to me. Alrighty. And again, I think I just like playing with the texture. I don't know. Like, why I kept doing this. It's clearly nothing left, sis. Let it go. All right. So here you guys can see it's so smooth. Yes, we did that. Look how smooth it is now. Y'all thought we was being extra before, but no, it's smooth. Now, here's the olive oil, okay? Again, if you're here for moisture, this is what you want. Again, you could use coconut oil, but I like olive oil. Olive oil is thick and it penetrates your hair. It gets into your scalp, into your follicles, okay? If you put olive oil on your hair and you let it sit for a half an hour, you will be shocked at the moisture. Alrighty, I forgot to add in the part where I added in the honey, but y'all want to go ahead and put honey in this too. Thank you. Again, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Oh, and make sure you smile today. Don't be shy.